This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by giving Instagram permission to read your phone contacts. This is the essential step. Once done, you'll link the right account by confirming your phone number and email in profile. Next, navigate to menu settings, follow and invite friends and choose Connect Contacts. This asks Instagram to scan numbers and match them to accounts. You're doing this now to surface likely matches quickly, so make sure the correct phone account is active on your device. Once Instagram has matched contacts, you'll see suggestions populated by name and profile photo. Review them carefully because auto matches can be imperfect. If a long list appears, use the in-app search or filter to jump to a specific name or number. This saves time and prevents accidental follows. When you find someone, tap follow to connect or message if you want a private introduction. If you're unsure, save the profile to revisit. These choices control who sees. To complete the process, resync contacts after following or inviting people so Instagram updates suggestions and removes duplicates. Make sure to tidy phone numbers. Add country codes and full names to improve matching accuracy. Inconsistent formats cause misses. If suggestions never appear, go back to your device settings and revoke, then regrant contacts permission for Instagram, then reopen the app. If problems persist, toggle network settings or relaunch Instagram. That usually resolves sync hiccups so you don't miss connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.